Good afternoon, everyone. I must say it's a pleasure to be here, and it's a pleasure for a number of reasons. But I think the first and the most important one is that food is finally on the agenda at the table at COP, and this makes a huge difference. So the real challenge, and probably if there is one thing you need to remember of my speech, is now that it's at the table, let's make sure that we make the most of it. It's at the table at a time that is a good time. It's a good time because we are reaching a tipping point for regenerative agriculture. I mean, regenerative agriculture is in action in a number of places. A number of companies have proven it on quite large scales, still pilots, but quite large scales. There is a common taxonomy or a common way of measuring, although we still need to drive convergence. So the challenge is not anymore to find a solution. The challenge is not anymore to prove the model. The challenge fundamentally is to transform fast and to transform at scale, and do so obviously with the farmers at the heart. It is a matter, obviously, of food security. It is a matter of, obviously, environment. Foods emit about a third of the green gas emission. It is a matter of social stability, as 80% of the food is coming from smallholder farmers. Smallholder farmers have communities living around them, and they are a key element of social stability in the world. When you have that in mind, food security, social stability, a third of greenhouse gas emission, and you look at the hard facts and figures on financing and climate financing, well, the number is just staggering, 4.3%. So there is a total disconnect between the two, and this absolutely must change, which is why it is absolutely critical that to be able to scale, to be able to leverage solutions that do exist, we move to a radical new approach and more aggressive approach to, public-private partnership, crowding an investment with business, finance, government, or philanthropy. We need to do that, obviously, finance instruments that help to de-risk the transition and do so, as I said, putting the farmers in the middle. And their blended finance public-private partnership are absolutely critical. The opportunity is massive. Today, I think at COP, there was an announcement on the action agenda for a regenerative landscape. It means basically moving from a few tens of thousands of farmers affected to over 4 million and 150 million hectares. So financing is absolutely key. We need also to focus where we have a disproportionate impact, where we can do more faster, including, by the way, by strengthening demand signals. For us, as Danone, one of the key places is methane. Methane is at the heart of dairy. We have decided, and it was announced a while ago, we were the first company to set a methane target at minus 30% for fresh milk. We think on the one hand, we have to do that. I mean, if you look at your business 5 years out, sustainability is not sustainability. It is a fundamental strategic stake, so you focus on where you have an impact. And methane is a place where we can have an impact. So setting ambitious targets is absolutely critical. The second thing is, obviously, there are many things you can do through regenerative agriculture. You also need innovation to do that. So we are also very proud to be the first company to join the Global Methane Hub, which has raised about 200 million for breakthrough methane solutions for farmers. But I think the most important thing beyond being ambitious, beyond financing, beyond innovation, is industry collaboration. Making sure that we work in a pre-competitive way, uniting together companies, but also consulting, NGOs, government, so that we can absolutely maximize the impact on a very fast pace. This is why we are launching the Dairy Methane Action Alliance together with the Environmental Defense Fund. By the way, we are convinced that there is no other choice, and that first movers will move the needle. People that don't move won't have a future. So I think it's, besides being a moral imperative, it's also a strategic imperative. And I do invite each and every one of you to join the party, because time is clicking. Thank you.